Hi, it's me.
Good morning, or rather good afternoon. Oh my god. Oh, it's weekend and it's amazing. And we had a Christmas party yesterday night. And it was really fun. We had our boss from England visiting. And now I'm kind of cleaning, washing, and watching Peter. You see? He's so cute. I love watching Peter, man.
I think I would kidnap and come back.
Good morning. It's Sunday. It's the day after. Show you how I cook food. We call it bigos. Let's see here. Oh, he's so cute. And the other one is over there. Oh, she's so beautiful.
Let's do this.
Now, when dinner is ready, it's time for more coffee. Coffee time! Ja, so that was my simple dinner.